Here's a new 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. This is a truck with a work ethic to match your own, one that doesn't stop at good enough. It's well equipped with the features you need: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and front heated and ventilated leather bench seats. New Car Test Drive finds that inside, the Sierra is one of the luxurious pickups, setting new standards for quietness, plush appointments, and solid construction. GMC, professional-grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today. Thank you for viewing this vehicle. Stop in and see us today. Thompson Buick GMC Cadillac is conveniently located on Wake Forest Road next to Costco, just inside the Beltline.